How are you getting on, everyone? Craig and Darren here back again at 888.
Well, back again. I hope you're enjoying our episodes, huh?
Yeah.
We're having a bit of crack making them. Actually, now we're kind of doing what we always do, aren't we? We just adapt there in front of us. There you go. Well, my man. So, I'm after just showing a little update up there of your polishing skills.
Yeah.
So now...
Misery,
yeah. So now Craig is here.
So the wheels, the centres of the wheels, we got them sandblasted. We got a coat of 2K primer on them last night, and now I'm just kind of prepping them.
Getting them ready to get Cousin Rick to throw like a paint on it.
Cousin Rick, he said the earlier the better, so here now.
Craig has them under a bit of pressure today, don't you?
You have to keep them under pressure.
Yeah, these are going to look serious in the car.
Now, that's the centres of the wheels all prepped. I'm going to get them loaded up into the car and get them straight over to Rick.
Early the next morning.
Here's Richard. Morning, Rich.
Morning, Big D.
So, Craig, Saturday morning, what's the plan for today?
Saturday morning, and Rick has been busy the past few evenings.
Yeah.
As you can see, he painted the car and all the bits, and there was just that many bits to the car, he just assembled them. He just assembled it without callus.
Sorry, Rich. There she is. We just gave her a little glimpse here, Craig, because she's not looking the best until we straighten everything up, isn't it? First position. Where's the centre of the wheels?
Rick, where's the centre of the wheels?
So.
In the car.
Okay. Okay, let's get them out. Let's get the centres in and get them sitting into her, yeah? Hey? See what she looks like, yeah?
So, Rick, what have you got painted for us?
Got the rims, lad.
The rims. Put that back in there, will you? Gee, it sounds it out the camera.
Like a model there, look.
Huh?
Give us a pose with your centre of your wheel.
Shut up, you. Some job.
Never said all models are good looking.
What did you say? The very, what sort of paint?
Very coarse metallic.
Oh, very fancy, Richard.
So we're going to be bolting these on.
No, we're not.
Why?
We're going to throw them in the proper
No,
way.
we're not.
We're going to throw them on the car, and then we're going to decide what we're doing.
Rick.
Darren, I'm not taking any fucking shit from you today.
What did you say there, Richard?
Just want to give a big shout out to my mammy.
Hi, Mammy.
So, Rick, your measurements that were off have now.
These are class with colour and the wheel. So what type tyres do you need, Rick? What are they? Will they fit it, yeah?
We're going to give them a shot. 245, 48 18s.
And then what about the fronts?
They'll work. Shot 225, 48 18.
Here.
Triple eights.
Here, we've tyres down here. Here, take that there, we fly down and see a few tyres. Come on down here with me, yeah?
Come on, Craig.
Man, Rick. Here, we fly down and see what we have in our steam.
It's grand, 2 brand new tyres, Richard.
Yeah, Richard saved the day.
I That's per usual.
Looks fucking smashing.
It does, yeah. Fitment of the wheels, what's the verdict?
On point.
On point. It was kinda... got our measurements a bit wrong, but it ended up being perfect.
Yeah, I blame the parts man for not getting the correct spacers.
Well, I'm not the
Guess
parts
who the parts man is? You, Craig. You fucked up again.
I try.
Over. Worst parts man ever. What have we got in here, Craig? Probably just stuff that's
More
wrong.
brand new lights. Look at that. Rick.
Jeez.
What's going on here, boys?
We're just unboxing the parts that the worst parts man in the world got.
The parts, man, yeah. I'm doing a bit of plumbing.
Oh, nice.
Like that.
That's lovely, yeah.
When you just asked me, I'd show you how to do that.
Oh, yeah.
What was all this? That's just all shite, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
What have we got in here? Just 4 lights, yeah.
Another light.
Why are you recording me, Craig?
Rick, unboxing with Richard. What do you think?
To be fair, Craig, right, I take back I was saying you're the worst parts man in the world. You're now a bad parts man.
Average.
Average.
And then we have another new backlight in there.
I wonder if that one's broken.
This yoke is getting the works, isn't it? Richard, you just ruined it.
Give a shout out to Mick, actually, Rick.
Yeah, big shout out to Mick and Mick's garage.
Big shout out to Mick and Mick's garage here for these actually very nice lights.
They are nice.
Yeah, so shout out to Mick.
Man, Mick.
Go follow Mick over on Bevo.
Yeah, Bevo. Yeah.
Mick, don't let us down. Oh, that's the
Rick, what do you think? Who's the best parts man out there?
You're
Mick.
Mick.
You're
Mick.
project
No, Mick.
manager.
Not you, Mick.
You're project manager.
Yeah.
He's the worst parts man you can
Yeah.
get. What am I?
I don't know.
Give me a roll, will you? Can't beat a fresh pair of rear lights, Richard, can you?
Nope.
Shout out to the parts manager, Craig, who ordered them. He ordered backlights, he ordered indicators, but he forgot about 20 parts for you, Richard, did he?
Probably more.
Rick, can I just say one thing? Everyone keeps calling you Richard, yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me your real name.
It's Rick.
Rick.
Rick with a P.
Rick on his birth cert. Rick with a Q. What are you up to, Craig?
Lowering the car. So, Dave, it's dropping it as low as it can possibly go.
Oh, yeah. Are you nervous?
So today we have a very special package getting unopened or opened by a very special person. So today I'm going to guess it's a steering wheel because it looks like a steering wheel box.
Well, I'm going to get steering because it's the only thing I bought off Driftgames.
Oh, and this is going into the Beamer, or is it? No, I
Oh,
don't.
it's going to the Porsche.
Oh.
Hey. Huh? Well, that's actually. Oh, Craig was one that picked it out for me, but
That is amazing.
it's nice, isn't it?
The white stitching there.
Oh,
You have lovely hands.
look at the cut of my hand. Hey. I moisturise, Richard.
That's very nice.
What's this part, Richard? This is the horn.
She is. Oh my gosh.
Stop it. Look, Craig, I'll open her up there. Richard. Richard.
Yes.
Richard.
Hi.
Wheels are back. Come on, we're going to have a look at it. Craig has been back of his daily. Oh.
Craig.
Oh, they actually. Nice strip.
That's the front or the back?
That is the back.
Nice.
Yeah.
Stop it. 2 brown spangers to the front, yeah?
Yeah.
Did he put tyre shine on them?
Yeah.
Ah, here. What's wrong, Rick?
Looking at the direction. See if there is one. Outside, good matter.
There you go. Nice and gentle, does it, Craig? Yeah?
I know.
Alright, that side, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus!
Don't do that.
Long with the truth, isn't it?
You need a moment of truth, Darren.
Long with the truth.
Moment of truth.
Long with the truth, Richard.
Big moment.
Big moment.
Of truth. Yeah, big thing.
I'll give her a bell with a lowering stick.
Yeah. That's not too bad, is
That's
she?
alright, yeah.
Yeah.
Get it back to them more now.
Hey, Cam, I have that raised up.
Hey Richard,
Big little shout out to Milwaukee.
big shout out to your mammy. It's her birthday tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Mammy.
Happy birthday, mammy.
Happy birthday.
It's her birthday today.
Well, she'd be our auntie actually, because you're our cousin.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, auntie.
You're not our biological cousin, are you? We just call you our cousin.
Well, where does he look like us?
He looks more like our uncle.
You're as ugly as all of us.
Oh, I'm way too handsome to be a Coleman.
So today was obviously a very productive day for the red E36 here behind me. We are building this car because this car is actually going to be going up for raffle on AAA competitions this week, next week. So yeah, next week this car is going to be going up for raffle. Obviously we're doing the build off against Driftgames. They're doing the G35 Skyline, and then we're doing this Pandem kitted E36. Now obviously you're going to go on and buy tickets for our car because our car is way better than theirs. So pretty much how the build off works, if you haven't seen their video already, is our two cars are going to be going for raffle on AAA competitions, and the first one to sell out is the winner. So I don't know about you, but I think this car is unbelievable, and I think you will just have to get a ticket for it because support us, support the lad. So yeah, make sure to get on, get your ticket this week. Obviously we're going to be doing videos throughout the car, and today was a very productive day. But yeah, this car is going to be going up for raffle. So just think of it, you have seen the quality this car has been built to, and you can take this home for €20. So obviously rather put my own E36 in as well. So we're going to get a few videos of the cars and we're going to show you now. Now, I just want to thank everyone for watching this video. Obviously today was a very, very productive day. The red E36 is definitely taking shape. We have the kit on it, we have the wheels on it. We weren't too sure what way the wheels would fit. But the wheels are fitting perfect at the minute. So yeah, lots of progress done today. We obviously, in our last video we were saying what you think we could improve on, etc, etc. And we tried to get a lot more videos of us actually doing work today rather than just kind of having the crack. And today was a bit more of a working on the car, getting everything done today. So just let us know what you think about it, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching the video.